Hello! Welcome to my session. For today's activity, I am working with a 3-year-old and we are going to show you how to make homemade paints. The items we need are all-purpose flour, food coloring, salt, and water. Before we get started, I would like to list 5 keywords we will use in this activity. They are mix, scoop, pour, color, paint. Please make sure your child is using an apron before commencing this activity. Now let's begin. We start by telling the child to pour the flour and the salt in a bowl. Then mix together. Add water bit by bit. Mix together to make a paste. The thicker the paste, the better the outcome. Your child can use a spoon, whisk, or spatula to mix depending on his or her choice. This is the point we use the word mixed. Mixing helps in developing fine and gross motor skills in children, and these skills enable children to become more independent. Fine motor skills are very crucial because the ability to use the smaller muscles in the hands allow children to perform self-care tasks without assistance. The paste is smooth and ready. Now it's time to scoop. Your child can scoop into any portion of his or her choice. This is the point we use the word scoop and pour. Scooping is a fun and relaxing activity for children. When they are engaged in scooping and pouring, they discover and explore gravity, weight, cause and effect, muscle control, and even self-awareness. Toddlers also learn about the environment while working on so many skills. It's time to add the food coloring. Please let your child make a choice of color. Children love colors. It catches their eyes and grabs their attention. Color is one of the most beautiful attributes of the world around us. Color can also serve as a means of creative expression. For instance, red means love, and red can also pose as danger. Now, it's time to mix the color with the paste. This is the point we use the word color. Color mixing can help your child practice critical thinking by exploring cause and effect of how colors blend together, and it also engages them in problem solving by testing different ways to achieve certain colors. Please encourage your child to experiment with colors. Let them explore changes in different shades of colors by adding more of one color or trying new combinations of different colors. The paint is ready, and my 3-year-old is so eager to paint. This is the point we use the word paint. Painting helps children acquire hand-eye coordination, which is an important skill in their age. Painting helps the child develop mobility skills when their hand muscles are being used. Painting is also a great podium for children to explore, progress, and discover their creativity. They learn about various color mixtures and how they go together. Painting can help your child communicate their emotions or feelings. Painting is fun. Painting is exciting. Remember, children learn faster through play. It's better to be the play partner than being their instructor. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your session with your child. Bye.